Hey guys, today I'm excited to do an unboxing of a brand new Samsung Galaxy S23 phone. The color for this one is called Phantom Black, but the same phone also comes in cream, green, and lavender. With that said, let's open up the box. I'm going to try to do this with one hand since I don't have a tripod today. Everything is encased very nicely in the box. We'll take a look at the phone in a second, but I want to see what else there might be inside. There's a separate compartment that we're going to open up. There's a piece of paper in here, and it looks like it's a Samsung pamphlet, which looks like it is a quick start guide. And they show you how to install your nano SIM card. And then we have a black USB charging cable. And let's turn this over. We also have a tiny silver key to stick into the pinhole that will open up the tray for inserting the SIM card. And of course, we have the S23 phone itself. It's pretty slick, and as I expected, I can hold the phone in the palm of my hand with a generous 6.1-inch display. It's also pretty thin at only 7.6 millimeters, so I'm sure it will fit into a pant pocket, jacket pocket, or purse. We have the front camera in the top center, and we have the rear camera in the back. On the bottom from left to right, we have a SIM card tray, a USB charging port, and audio port, and the speaker. And on the right side, we have the volume key and the power button. Let's go ahead and remove the front plastic film. And just as a side note, the phone has 128 gigs of storage capacity with a 50 megapixel camera, and the phone runs on 2G up to 5G. And now I'm going to press the power button on the side to power it up.